वेलकम फूड टेक्नोलॉजी के यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है फोटोसिंथेसिस। फोटोसिंथेसिस द प्रोसेस बाय विच ग्रीन प्लांट्स एंड सर्टेन अदर ऑर्गेनिजम्स ट्रांसफॉर्म लाइट एनर्जी इनटू केमिकल एनर्जी ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस। इन ग्रीन प्लांट्स लाइट एनर्जी इज कैप्चर्ड एंड यूज्ड टू कन्वर्ट वाटर, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड मिनरल्स इनटू ऑक्सीजन एंड एनर्जी रिच ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स। फोटोसिंथेसिस चैप्टर के जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं बस इस चैप्टर में वही डिस्कस करूँगा ताकि वीडियो ज़्यादा लंबा ना हो। पूरा वीडियो आप एक कॉपी और पेन लेके बैठिएगा और इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट लिख लीजिएगा, या तो आप इस वीडियो को दोबारा 2-3 बार देखेंगे तो भी आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल होगा। जैन इंगिनहुज, ऑस्ट्रिया, 1779। Plant purify the air only in the presence of light. Only the green part of the plant produce the purifying agent, that is oxygen, while non-green tissue contaminate the air. Thus, Ingenhousz recognized the participation of chlorophyll and light in the photosynthetic process. In which year Ingenhousz discovered? 1779. Next, photosynthetic pigments. Part A. Chlorophyll pigments. Chlorophyll occur mostly in grana and are associated with the thylakoid membrane. ग्रेना क्लोरोप्लास्ट में जो ग्रेना होता है 10 to 100 होता है। आप इसके बारे में और गूगल भी कर सकते हैं। एटलीस्ट 7 टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोरोफिल्स आर नोन। क्लोरोफिल A, B, C, D, E, बैक्टीरियो क्लोरोफिल एंड बैक्टीरियो वायरिडिन। हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोरोफिल? 7 टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोरोफिल। All chlorophyll A and chlorophyll V molecules contain a tetrapyrrole skeleton formed into ring with magnesium at the center. Thus, it has 5 atoms, that is 4 carbon and 1 nitrogen. How many? 4 carbon and 1 nitrogen. The base unit of the chlorophyll molecule is a porphyrin ring system made up of 4 simple pyrrole nuclei. Tetrapyrrole, that is joined by carbon linkages. The center of the porphyrin ring is occupied by a single atom. ये क्वेश्चन आया हुआ था। पोरफ्राइन रिंग में कितने एटम होते हैं? सिंगल एटम होते हैं ऑफ मैग्नीशियम। ओनली क्लोरोफिल A एंड क्लोरोफिल B कंटेन मैग्नीशियम। नेक्स्ट, difference between chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll A is blue-green microcrystalline solid. Chlorophyll B is green-black microcrystalline solid. Important है, chlorophyll A blue-green microcrystalline solid है, chlorophyll B green-black microcrystalline solid है। एम्पेरिकल फॉर्मूला आ सकता है एग्जाम में, 4 ऑप्शन दिए होंगे, उसमें से कोई एक होगा। क्लोरोफिल A का है C55S72O5N4 Mg। क्लोरोफिल B का है C55S70O6N4 Mg। Chlorophyll A gives blue-green solution in ethyl alcohol and chlorophyll B gives yellow-green solution in ethyl alcohol. Chlorophyll A occur in universal green plants and chlorophyll B occur in higher plants and green algae but absent in blue, green, brown and red algae. Blue, green, brown and red algae में absent होता है। Next, name of pigment. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotene, xanthophyll. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पिगमेंट्स हैं। इनके प्रपोर्शन और इनके रिमार्क्स के बारे में आप बहुत ध्यान से पढ़िएगा। क्लोरोफिल ए 2 पार्ट्स, रिमार्क ग्रीन। क्लोरोफिल बी 2/3 ऑफ 1 पार्ट पिगमेंट। कैरोटीन इंपॉर्टेंट है, 1/6 ऑफ 1 पार्ट। जैंथोफिल 1/3 ऑफ 1 पार्ट पर 1000 पार्ट, रिमार्क येलो पिगमेंट। पार्ट बी कैरोटिनॉइड पिगमेंट्स, जहाँ पर भी मैं बोलते चलो इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप उस जगह को नोट करते चलिएगा कॉपी में। कैरोटीन एंड xanthophyll आर टुगेदर कॉल्ड कैरोटिनॉइड्स। दीज आर फैट सॉल्यूबल येलो पिगमेंट्स, इंपॉर्टेंट है। कैरोटिनॉइड्स लोकेटेड इन क्लोरोप्लास्ट एंड क्रोमोप्लास्ट। येलो कलर ऑफ एट्यूलेटेड एंड वेरीगेटेड लीफ इज ड्यू टू कैरोटिनॉइड्स। कैरोटीन color is orange yellow having empirical formula C40H56, that is exclusively of carbon and hydrogen. It is abundant in roots of carrot, hence the name carotene. गाजर के रूट में पाया जाता है, इस वजह से कैरोटीन कहा जाता है. इट इज़ इंसॉल्यूबल इन वाटर, इंपॉर्टेंट है. इट्स मोस्ट कॉमन फॉर्म इज बीटा कैरोटीन. बीटा कैरोटीन इज द प्रीकर्सर ऑफ vitamin A. Other forms of carotene are alpha carotene and gamma carotene. It is quickly oxidized in air and hence the rapid change of color take place in the scabbed carrot. Next, xanthophylls, also called carotenols. It is more abundant than carotenes. It occur in many isomeric form having color yellow to brown. Carotene color is orange to yellow and xanthophyll color is yellow to brown. Empirical formula C40H56O2. It is also called carotenol. The common form is lutein followed by violaxanthal. The principal yellow pigment of maize is zeaxanthin. Important. Part C. Phycobilin pigments. Phycobilins are found in blue, green and red algae. Important है. It has tetrapyrrole rings but in straight chain. Very important. Light absorbed by phycobilins is transferred to chlorophyll A where is used in photosynthesis. It contains no magnesium. Red pigment is called phycoerythrin and blue pigment is phycocyanin. Red pigment is called phycoerythrin and blue pigment is called phycocyanin, found in red algae and blue green algae respectively. Photosynthesis, or we can say carbon dioxide assimilation or food production. It has two phases. First, light phase and dark phase. In reaction of the light phase is light sensitive, hence called photochemical reaction, and the reaction of the dark phase are temperature sensitive and don't require light. These are purely chemical reaction and called Blackman reactions. Very important. On the name of F.F. Blackman, who first demonstrated its existence. These following factors will affect on the photosynthesis. First is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide concentration is the most important external factor affecting the rate of photosynthesis of plant. The percentage of CO2 in the air is 0.03%. Very important. How much? 0.03%. Second is water availability. It has no direct effect. The decrease in water content of leaves may cause partial or complete closure of stomatal opening, which reduce the diffusion of carbon dioxide. Third is light. Light is the most important factor of photosynthesis. Light affects through its intensity, quality and duration. The amount of light received by plant depend on its morphology. Fourth is chlorophyll, and fifth is nutrient elements, and the most important point is temperature. Temperature, these are rapid increase in photosynthesis. If temperature increase from, note down, 10 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, provided other factors are not limiting, photosynthetic rate declines with the higher temperature beyond the maximum limit. And the next is, what is solarization? Extremely high light intensity has an inhibitory effect on the photosynthesis, and this phenomenon is called solarization. In photosynthesis, origin of food, there are three major reactions. First, photolysis of water, in which 2 hydrogen is present. Second, photophosphorylation for ATP. These both reaction depend on light. And third reaction is carbon dioxide reduction for carbohydrate. It is depend on dark. How many origin of food? 3. Then light reaction in photosynthesis. Hill's reaction. Hill's gives its evidence in 1937 and 1939, and Scarisbrick in 1940 gives its evidence. Light when react with isolated chloroplast and H2O release oxygen. If oxidant, that is hydrogen acceptor, is present with isolated chloroplast. Oxidant is reduced by chloroplast in presence of light. This reaction is called Hill's reaction, and oxidant is Hill reagent. The common Hill reagent is ferricyanide and benzoquinone. These two are important. What is photophosphorylation? It is the process of photosynthesis. The phosphorylation of ADP to form ATP using the energy of sunlight is called photophosphorylation. Cyclic phosphorylation occurs in both aerobic and anaerobic conditions. Only two sources of energy are available to living organism: sunlight and reduction oxidation reactions. Next, what is Warburg effect? Very important. The Warburg effect is defined as an increase in the rate of glucose uptake and preferential production of lactate even in the presence of oxygen. Each of these functions have been hypothesized to be the function of the Warburg effect. That's all. Thank you very much. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें अपने दोस्तों के साथ और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें अगले और इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर्स की वीडियोस के लिए. थैंक यू.